Hey guys, Scott here, and this video is just to give you a better listen to the pocket acoustic treble ukulele I posted earlier on today. And it was a little bit noisy because my boys were playing and just being typical little boys being loud. So I'm going to take this minute and play a couple of things just to give you guys a good listen. And I managed to tune it really good, and it sounds really nice now. So it's a good moment right now to actually make you listen the instrument a little better. So here we go. It sounds really nice. Probably along that little melody that I was playing there with a couple of little twangs and twings and all that. It's just I have to press really softly on the notes, and some of the notes I was pressing a little too hard. So other than that, I'll play something probably along the same lines as the same rhythm, just to give you, just to make you listen to it. That sounds really nice now. I'm really pleased. Just another little something, a little quick couple of seconds of I'm Yours, because I really for some reason everybody plays it on the ukulele, and I love playing it on ukulele. It's really fun. So here we go. So there you go, guys, the pocket acoustic treble ukulele. I hope you guys had a good hear of the instrument, since I just gave it a little tune, and it sounds really nice, better than it did all day. I had the chance to actually listen and give it a good tune, and all that time it was pretty much just one string. So here you go, guys. Thanks for watching, and just like I said in my previous video, I probably won't be making another video for probably till I do get a bandsaw and I start the original project that I was mentioning in my other videos as well. And just like I said, I'll probably get on and film myself playing a song, and just keep an eye open on my Facebook and on my Seek 100 Productions YouTube channel, and maybe I'll have a surprise, and or I'll let you know somehow. Alright, thanks for listening, guys. Bye.